everyone, it's Mary Beth from MBGray Designs. Welcome back to my channel. I'm so happy you are here with me today. So today I've got two bunny molds. This video may be after Easter, I'm not sure, because today is March 31st, so we'll see. But bunnies are spring. We get lots of bunnies around here where I live in the springtime, so we're just going with spring bunnies. I think they're fine to do. So I got these from Glitz and Glitter at Michelle. These are two of her new molds, and I just got them in today, so I wanted to mold them right away. I'm a little concerned. I don't know if I'm supposed to be using deep pour or not. I don't think she did. I wonder if I should look at one of her videos when she did it. I may have to go back and look, but I'm going to try to use the Let's Resin, just the regular epoxy 1-to-1, part A, part B. I'm thinking of doing 12 ounces, 6 for each. I think that'll be enough for each of them. And for one of them, we're going to marble Alchemy by Danica Pours and Supernova. We're going to marble these two together and make a beautiful bunny. And for the other bunny, we're going to use Rosy Cheeks and Haley's Comment. And I think that'll be a cute bunny also. So that is the plan. So what I'm going to do is, I may research and check out her video though. I don't think she did use deep pour. I might go do that first, regardless. Then I'll get my resin mixing up, and I'm going to go ahead and get my mica powders in my cups and dilute them in alcohol, and we'll get going. Okay, I went back to Michelle's video, and she did use the regular epoxy 1-to-1. So I'm like, okay, cool. That works for me, so we should be okay. I think it only, I think she was doing this bunny over here, and it was 5 ounces. I'm just going to make 6 ounces for each of them. So I'm doing 12 ounces, and we're just going to hope for the best here. If we have extra, we have extra. That's perfectly fine with me. So that was the Alchemy. This is the Supernova. I'm just getting my mica powders put in my cup before I dissolve them. I love this Supernova color. All I'm going to do is take my alcohol and just put a little bit in to dissolve it, like so. See if I got enough here. I think so. There we go. Gonna dissolve that, and that's all I'm gonna do for all 4 of them. And then when my resin is done mixing, I'll just pour 3 ounces into each of these cups, maybe 3.5 on some, because I might have poured a little bit more than 12 ounces. And then I'll put it through the bubble remover, and then we will be back. Look how beautiful that is. We'll be back to do our pour. Okay, so I got the resin out of the, I'm trying to get my camera a little bit better, but I got it out of the bubble remover. I then spilled a bunch of resin, so you missed that, but we're back. Anyway, all right, so we'll start with this one. I want to make sure and get alcohol all the way down there in our little bunny. And we will just start marbling. Just want to, I think the ears are way down there, so I'm just, ooh yeah, big bubble came out. I'm just squishing it. Hopefully you can see okay. I'm trying to get better at filming. It's hard sometimes. I know I made too much resin, and that's okay. I'll do some extras. Ooh, I think these two colors are going to be really pretty together, for sure. Hopefully they marble nicely. I want to make sure we get his little feet. You don't typically dome a handmade mold, but I do want to make sure I get enough in for the feet. So it's kind of halfway domed there. I hope that's okay. All right, so that's our first one. And we've got, let's see, 2 ounces left. And I had close to 7. So yeah, it took about 5 ounces. That's about right. I'm gonna scooch him over here. Move this one right here. Okay, let's squirt. I'm pretty sure this is a bunny. I think it is. I think I ordered her 2 of her new bunny molds. I guess we'll find out, right? Okay, this is going to be the Alchemy and the Supernova. So let's get some in there first. And let's kind of do the same thing because I'm just trying to see way down in there. Can you see where I'm assuming that's the ears? And I'm just kind of squeezing it around. Oh, I saw a bubble. Okay. Get the Supernova. This one I think I started with 6 ounces because I did spill some. Ooh, and I think these 2 colors are going to be really cute together too. Awesome. Very pretty. I love this Supernova. And I love all of Diane Kapoor's colors. I mean, they're just so pretty. Okay, so we've got half an ounce maybe there, an ounce and a half left. So that took maybe 4.5, maybe 5 ounces. So yeah, I'd say 5 ounces for each of them. So that's not bad. All right, so overall I've got, actually it's about an ounce now. Okay, I've got 1.5, what did I say? 2.5, 3.5, 4. I probably have close to 4.5 ounces left. Good gravy. Well, I wonder if that would fill up the rest of my seal. Can you see how far we've already filled it? I wonder if 4.5 ounces would fill it up. Let's try, because then we can unmold the seal. That would be fun. Let's see. I don't know if it'll be enough, but we're going to try. Just kind of marble these in here. See what happens. It may not be, you know what, I don't think it's going to be enough now that I'm looking at it. Darn it. Oh, I almost knocked that one over. Darn it, we could have had some other extras, but that's okay. That's okay. It won't be long and our seal will be done. The seal is going to be so cute. Okay, that was the Halley's Comet. That's really pretty. The Halley's Comet is very sparkly. I like it. Very pretty. I think I need to do like a bowl or something with that. This is the Supernova going in. Gonna scrape this one. Sorry if you can't fully see what I'm doing. I'm just pouring in this seal, just emptying these cups. So I'll go ahead and finish this. It's not, unfortunately, it's not going to completely fill it up. Well, so that means probably another couple more pours and we should have enough to fill it up because I'm excited to see it. So yeah, so we will be back on demold of our bunnies. So we'll see you in just a bit. Okay, are we ready to demold? I know I am. Oh gosh, I wonder if I should have gloves on. I'll try to be careful. I may have to get some gloves because this handmade mold, you don't really want to touch the inside with your hands. Oh, I can see the little tail. You know what? Let me get some gloves on. Sorry, I'll be right back. Okay, that is better. All right, let's see here. I hope I can demold this okay. This might be kind of hard to do. Oh my goodness. How am I going to get this out? Well, let me squirt some alcohol down in there and see if I can release the suction. Over there. Get some down in here. I may have to go off camera to actually demold these because this may be a chore. They're soft. It's not the silicone. It's just, you know, they're tall and it has nothing to do with how they're made or anything. It's just trying to get the seal to break. Might be a little difficult. I'll be darned. Well, let's... because the silicone's really soft, so like I said, it's just getting a good grip. Oh, I can't wait to see it. Oh, I hope I don't rip an ear or anything. I would be so sad. It is the next day. Oh my gosh. Okay. Let me try this one. Maybe this one will be easier. All right, apologize. I may have to get my husband. I'm having a hard time. I'll be back after they're demolded to show you. Okay, I did have to have my husband help me demold, but I held the mold and he was able to pull it out, so it was fine. But look how cute these bunnies are. So this first one, it's just like a classic little bunny with his bow tie. So sweet. And then this one is adorable, sitting on the Easter egg. So super cute. It's already April 1st. I'm going to try to get these decorated, film the final reveal, although it's late, and see if I can get this out Friday or Saturday before Easter. So I'm doing the best I can on this one because I already have videos scheduled out for a couple weeks. So, but I just got them in and I really wanted to do them because they're so cute. So if you remember, this was... hold on. Supernova and Alchemy, both by Diane Kapoor's. And this one, also by Diane Kapoor's, was Haley's Comet and Rosy Cheeks. And I think they turned out so cute. So let me do just a little bit of decorating on them, and then we'll be back for the final reveal. Okay, we're back for the final reveal. So for this little cutie, I just took a chrome marker and just colored in the pieces on the egg. There's some cute little designs on the egg, and colored the little bow, his little bow, and I gave him his eyes, nose, and mouth. I did color in the ears pink on the inside. That's kind of hard to see. And that's it. That's all I did. I didn't want to do too much to him. I think he's super cute. And then for her, oh, I think she turned out really, really cute. So gave her eyes, painted her nose pink and put her mouth in, painted her bow green, put a rhinestone, and then I gave her another bow with a rhinestone, painted the inside of her ears, put rhinestones around her ears. So yeah, what do you think? I think she turned out super cute. Oh, and her little eyebrows. Aren't they cute? They're teeny weeny little rhinestones. So yeah, these are the two new bunnies, the new molds I got from Michelle from Glitz and Glitter, and I think they're absolutely adorable. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for spending time with me today. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. And I would also appreciate it if you would subscribe to my channel if you have not already. So I hope everybody has a wonderful day, and we will talk to you soon. Bye.
Say something.